Hello, welcome to this channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can earn money on this particular platform. So this platform is a new platform and I will be showing you how you can register, how you can make money, and how you can also register as an agent and earn a lot of money on this platform. So as you can see, this is a two-in-one passive income system. And the first thing is that you can earn money daily by performing social media tasks and professional high-skill jobs, meaning that you can perform micro tasks and professional tasks on this system. You can boost your social media links like Instagram followers, YouTube likes, Facebook, and a lot of things. And you can also type a document on this platform. So it's a two-in-one platform. If you look at how it works, then you will understand, you will know better. Okay, so this platform operates on daily passive income mining system and daily passive income micro tax system. So the first one is mining. That is a token mining, a cryptocurrency. So this company has their own cryptocurrency that is currently on mining stage. At least the token is yet to be launched, but it's currently on mining stage and it's not on sales anywhere. You can only mine it on this platform, as you can see here. So the second one is daily passive income micro tax system. On this one, you'll be able to do micro tax job and earn money online. So you can take your time and read everything so that you can understand better. But as I have said earlier, it is a two-in-one daily income system. Number one, mining system. Number two, micro tax system. So if you want to make money online, especially on this website, I will suggest you to register. The token will be automatically be mining, and you can perform micro tax job on the site and earn money. So this micro tax job can be withdrawn at any time, but this one is still on mining stage. So for now, you can still be mining the token for now. So if you want to register, the link is available in the description button. Just click on the link and it will direct you to registration page. Here you will put in your email and here you will put in your username. So when you put in your email and your username, they will send a verification code to your email. So you need to log into your email and confirm your verification code. So once you are done, you are good to log in. So I've already registered, so I just have to log into my account. Okay, so this is my dashboard here. Once you register, you will need to verify your name. So you just click on verify, or you see proceed. You'll be able to fill in your name and your data there. So that is all. And once you are done, your dashboard will look like this. So this place will still be 0 naira. This place will be 0 naira and the transaction history may be empty. So the next thing to do is to select a package and subscribe. You have to click here, the menu bar, and click on select a package. You will see select a package right here. You can click on it. So when you click on it, you'll be able to select a package. So the minimum package here is 1,000 naira, and you'll be receiving 250 GCT. That is the token every day. So this is the regular. This one is 2,000. This one is 5,000, and a lot of packages like that. So you just select any package of your choice. When you click on it, it will bring the company account number. So this is the transaction remark. Make sure you use this as your transaction remark. And this is the bank details right here. So this is the account number, this is the company name, this is the bank name. So make sure you make the payment and use this as your narration. So once you are done, make sure you upload your proof of payment and submit. So an admin will verify your accounts. Once admin verify your accounts, you will be able to mine and perform micro tax daily. So I've already subscribed, and if you can see my mining, you can see that I've already my plan is basic right here. and you can see that I have already mined 1000 GCT, and this is the countdown of the wallet unlocking. As you can see now, it's automatic mining. So that one aside, then the second one is when you go back to the menu bar, the second one here is daily income micro tax. Remember, it is a two-in-one daily income system. Number one is the mining, number two is the micro tax. So this is the micro tax. When you click on it, you'll be able to perform a lot of micro tax on the system. Remember, this is just a new platform that's just launched yesterday. So to perform a task, you need to scroll down. This is one task here that says you should Facebook and WhatsApp status. So you just write, if you scroll down here, you'll be able to apply, and when you click on apply, you can see the payment. When you click on apply, make sure you read the description of the video, and you click here to download the image. So when you are done uploading it on your status, you screenshot and upload the proof here. So when you upload the proof, you submit. So that is how to perform micro tax on this system. So once you are done with that, admin will approve your work, and your money will be credited to this place. As you can see that I just have 250 naira here. Okay, so you can also create a job. If you have a social media account that you want to boost, you can also create a job by clicking on create job. When you click on create job, you see that there is a lot of micro tax jobs here. Job title, you fill in the job title, the job link if there is, number of workers you need. Then these are the job categories that is available. So you have a lot of job categories here. When you click on any one, it will bring the job subcategories. Then when you click on it, it will tell you the price, and if you have any file you want to upload, this one is optional, and job description will be here. So when you are done, you will click on submit. So make sure you have fund your account. If you want to fund your account, this is how to fund your account. If you click here, this one is online payments. You can fund your account there. So that is how to create job, and that is how to apply for jobs on this system. If you want to withdraw your money, you can click on withdrawal. So make sure you click on withdrawal, put in your account details and everything. So the minimum withdrawal is 500 naira. That is the minimum withdrawal. This is your balance. This one is showing your balance. This one is showing your GCT. So this one is still on mining stage. Okay. So this, you can click on settings as well to fill in your account details or your bank and payment details. So when you click here, you'll be able to change your account number. Okay, and if you click here, if you click on security, you'll be able to change your token, your transaction pin, or reset your password, as you can see here. So if you want to make withdrawal, it will request for transaction pin. So this is where you will change it, and this is your profile information. You can update it at any time. Okay, so that is it for that. Now if you want to become an agent and earn 50% commission, it's very simple. Just click on the menu bar again. You will select become an agent. As you can see here, become an agent. So when you select become an agent, the system will tell you to update your profile. That is to verify your account. So if you want to verify your account, you will need to come to this very place and click on verification. So I've already verified my account, but when you click on verification, it will tell you to upload any government issued ID card. It can be your NIN, it can be your voter's card, it can be your your international ID card or driving license. Just upload it and admin will approve it. And once it has been approved like this, you can now become an agent. So when you click on become an agent, you will need to pay 5,000 naira to become an agent. When you pay 5,000 naira, your account will be giving 100,000 instantly. They will give you 100,000 instantly. So this place is your agent reward. When you register anybody, you will have reward. Your reward will be here. That is, on each registration, you have 50% commission. On each registration, you have 50% commission. This is it right here. You have 50% commission. So if any of your downline pay 1,000 naira, 1,000 naira will be deducted from this 100,000, and you will receive 50% commission in your agent reward. So it's very simple. When you become an agent, you have agent link. When you become an agent like this, you will have agent link, and when you copy your agent link and give your downlines to register, and once they register and make payment successfully, the money will be deducted in your agent's wallet, and you will get reward. That is 50% commission in your agent's reward. So it's very, very simple. So if any of your downline pay 10,000 naira, 10,000 naira will be deducted in your agent's wallet, and you will receive 5,000 naira as agent reward. So you can withdraw this money at any time, and you can also top up your agents. You can renew your agent plan at any time. This is it over here. You can renew it at any time. So, and you can also withdraw your money at any time, even though it's not up to, you have not exhausted all the money. You can withdraw it at any time. So at the end of the day, when you have exhausted all this 100,000, you are expected to have a profit of 50,000 naira here. So the minimum withdrawal in agent dashboard is also 500 naira. So if you want to withdraw it, just go back to withdrawal. Okay, so this is where you will select. When you put in the amount here, your bank, your name, everything, this is where you will select where you want to withdraw from. When you click here now, it will ask you, do you want to withdraw from agent wallet or your normal wallet? So you just click on it. Let me click on agent wallet. When you click on agent wallet, you type in the amount, you put your transaction pin. This one is optional. Then you click on submit. So the minimum withdrawal is 500 naira. At the same time, your normal wallet, the minimum withdrawal is also 500 naira. So when you are done, you will get your payment. So this is how to register on this platform, and I wish you all good luck. If there's any other further information, you can go back to you can check their team, either on Telegram or on WhatsApp, or you can also give them a call. This is their phone number. This is their social media link. So that is it. This is a registered company. They have their certificate, and they are operating on a legal ground. So you don't have any issues with them. So for those of you that want to boost your social media link, you can also come to this platform and boost your social media link. If you want to work as a worker, if you have any document to type, you can do it. So this is a passive income for you all. So if you are interested, kindly check the description button to register and start making money on this platform. Thank you all.